affected to youth.
Meghla Model United Nations 5th International Conference began on 23rd August at the North Eastern Hill University, Shillong, and will continue till 25th August. The three-day event is being held in collaboration with NEHU and the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghla. It is also supported by the Government of Meghla through the CM Special Grant, the Meghla Legislative Assembly and the Meghla AIDS Control Society.
Issues to be? What are the issues which you would like your modern organizations to deliberate on? What are the changes, like I said before, that you would like to bring about? And how would you bring about those changes? There's a saying that when you build castles in the air, be sure to put some foundations there. Because it is those foundations which will help you to build on those dreams, those aspirations, and then, as very significantly stated, the restoration that will come, but we're trying to reach those dreams and aspirations.
In response